Hello, welcome to another episode of Adventures with Wayne. Today's video we're going to be doing one of the iconic road loops on Oahu, which is going to be Tantalus Drive. Let's get after it. Come on, let me have it. Woo. Yeah, so this ride is pretty sick. What we're gonna do today is about 2,000 feet of climbing, not too crazy. A lot of switchbacks, beautiful mountain roads in the wet, parrots, all the fun things you could want. And then ripping fast descent. It's just super good. Anyways, let's get into it. So we've made it up to where the climb really begins. There's a couple hard sections before this, like 4 or 5 switchbacks, but now we're in the jungle. Now we're in like the more beautiful part of the ride. Like, as you can see, like, it's pretty wet and the road is pretty bumpy. It's not too bad, but like, I've done it on the 22C or whatever, 23C, like road bikes and shit. And, I think really, like, any big tire bike is like really great on this kind of stuff, where it's just kind of like bumpy tarmac. Look how beautiful it is. Fucking great over here. Very special road. A lot of good hiking trails over here. And not too bad. This section of the road is pretty cool. So all these vines and everything is all like crept all the way up to the top of the trees. Yeah, not too bad, not too shabby, and it's like a pretty steep ravine into all this. Yeah, pretty rad. Yeah, beautiful. Some big Norfolk pines. There's Diamond Head off in the distance over there. And you got the whole leeward side of the island over here. You see the airport, Kalihi and Pearl Harbor out there in the distance, and Mount Kaala behind the rain. Yeah, here's the bike. Absolute unit. There's the business. Yeah, love to see it. Anyways, let's get to descending. My dropper doesn't work right now. Bike's a little ropey. On your left. Thanks. Sometimes you just gotta take it out. This is good. Whoa. It's way smoother with the carbon bars. This is nice. This is way better. It's like suspension almost. That good. Wow. Like, this road is shit. This is not too bad. Okay. All right. Yeah. And I cruise into this very blind, very tight corner at not Mach 1. All right. For that reason, it could be a fucking gigantic truck. All right. First segment of the descent. And my music turned back on. Oh, yeah. This one's got a fucking nasty corner on it. Alright. And then chunk. Woo. Oh. It's raining. Have any more gears? No. Hey. Woo. That's 55. All right. As it's full speed. Woo! Oh yeah, it's windy. All right, let's pick it up. Oh yeah, it's raining. Hell yeah. Woo! The music's fucking going. Hell yeah. Oh, I'm wet. Yep. Yeah. Woo! Oh, it's so wet. And crossing those fucking orange lines. Ugh. Well, we're about to test out that waterproofness. Yeah. Oh, we're about to hit the best part too. Dirty. Yeah. Woo! Hell yeah! Oh. Oh my God. Woo! Holy shit. Had to slow down. Can't see the road. That's crazy. I can still barely see the road. Holy shit. Holy fuck. That's crazy. Woo! This is a crazy descent. Wow. All right, I can see again. Oh, my socks are wet. Woo! Oh my God. This is nuts. Hey man. Oh God, fucking get on your side. Sheesh. Yeah. Oh. Oh, I'm so wet. Oh, I still got one more climb left to do. Yeah. Man, that was chaotic as fuck. It's a little drier down here though. I'm not drier though. Yeah. That's sick. That's sick. Oh, I'm so wet though. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, my shifter's stuck. Yeah, rainbow. It's the rainbow. Beautiful today. Hell yeah. 2,083 feet of climbing. And now we are on the little bonus descent. So I kind of rounded out. I like to climb the first part twice to round out the elevation. Yeah, like a nice even 2,000, you know. This is why fenders are great. I'll keep this all going in my mouth. What a weasel deal. Oh, I should have grabbed my sunglasses. See if I can catch him. I think 1 second is fast going. And I gotta put more watts down. That's 28. $29. I can't find it. 32. I'm boogieing now. And this is why we like disc brakes. That was a very chill stop. On rim brakes, that would have been a horrifying stop. Alright. 17 miles. Maybe a couple to the house and to some food.